Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Most of you may not know who I am, but hopefully a few of you do. I'm TONIANN. Today's video is going to be a discussion of an article that came across my Facebook newsfeed from the website themighty.com, which is basically personal narrative blog type posts, which are submitted by readers of the website. I love reading them. Most of them are very, very inspirational. Some of them are just people expressing their own experiences, which can be disappointing, but this one actually has a happy ending. The title is somewhat clickbaity, but it has a happy ending, and when I see the title, because it was entitled, Why I Cannot Get Legally Married Because of My Disability, I was ready to fly into a rage, because nothing sends me into a rant or a rage more than discrimination. I'm sure it'll become a topic of a video more than once or twice, whether it's something that directly applies to me or not. It's just something I get pretty fired up about pretty easily, and the thing about it is it's not a discrimination piece. It's basically all how real life issues such as finances and health insurance are affected when a person who is disabled gets legally married. Me personally, I don't foresee this ever affecting me, but it's something that shouldn't even be a thing. It should not be affected because I just see it being bad in so many ways, because I think it could have an emotional effect on a person if they want to financially contribute to a situation, and if they're like most people I know and they're determined and they can't contribute and they can't do what they want to do, it could become their own personal inner turmoil. But then there's also the part where it pretty much makes them dependent upon their spouse, because if they take away your income, then what are you going to do? Because if you're getting those benefits, you're literally and legitimately disabled to the point of you can't work. So what are you supposed to do if you can't work and they take away your income and you can't contribute? And then on top of that, your health benefits are all tied up in all that mess. That, I think, is the more complicated part of it, is your health benefits, because there's nothing more important to a person with a disability, I think, than their health benefits. They're a dire necessity. Most people who have some form of a condition or disability need specialists, and if you were to just jump on your spouse's insurance, you're not guaranteed that the specialists and doctors you already have it. And I know, as far as choosing a doctor goes, you have to find someone you're extremely comfortable with, because a lot of times these are doctors that are going to be doing very extensive medical procedures on you, operations, things that are very, very scary, things that don't come cheap, that if you're in any normal circumstance with a set income, unless you're fortunate and well off, you don't have lying around in your back pocket or the bank. And then there comes into medication, which also falls into that category. So they're literally like hurting you, not even like, they are hurting you by taking away those benefits, and they're necessities. You can't just get up and go to anyone, and there are just so many things wrong with that whole situation, which is why I'm so happy for the woman in this article that she decided to go the route of a non-legally binding commitment ceremony, which I think is a nice touch and a nice way to honor their own situation and their own relationship. And as it was said in the article, and I guess this really does apply, is it takes a lot of the pressure off of an extensive, expensive, big hoopla of a wedding, which is great, but what about for the people that want to actually get legally married? That's not fair. I personally think the legalities of it are a bunch of bullcrap, and they shouldn't even be an issue, because you're not bringing the income in directly, and you're not defrauding anybody, and you're not supporting yourself, then they shouldn't be able to touch the income that you do have coming in. And that's just my opinion. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video, even though I'm kind of rambly, and I apologize for that. And again, I apologize for taking a while to upload. And when I'm looking in the camera, I also apologize for the lighting, but I'll figure it out. And I hope to see some of you back again, and I'll be uploading more videos. And if you have something that you'd like me to discuss, or an article you'd like me to read over, or just anything to share, please contact me at any point via the email and social media listed down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.